Hi darlings, so today I'm going to be sharing with you the UFO 2 mask. This comes in mint color and it was gifted to me by FOREO, so thank you to them. In the box you get this little stand to put the mask on, and it comes with the charger, which is USB, the Make My Day mask. You get one sachet. And then it comes with like the little instruction guides and the serum sample from FOREO. And then this was another one of the masks that was gifted to me by FOREO. It's the same price as the Make My Day mask, except this has 7 of these little sachets inside. They don't sell this individually. And for Prime Day, I bought 3 of the advanced masks. So I got H2O Overdose, Shimmer Freak, and Matte Maniac. So this retails for $2.79 and they sell it in dark pink and light pink. This is different from the first UFO because they have different LED colors, and I'm really excited to be trying this out. In the box, so I covered everything that you get in the box. I might have an unboxing video linked below, but if you do lose this attachment ring, which is where you're going to put the mask on, they do sell replacements of these on FOREO.com. So basically in this video I'll just be showing you the different masks I use, which I showed you, and let's see, what else did I want to talk about. The only thing that disappointed me is that they didn't have like a little drawstring bag, which they usually do have for FOREO products. So that was the only thing that disappointed me. Let's see my notes. Oh yeah, so this also has thermotherapy and cryotherapy. So thermotherapy is going to make this thing warm, and cryotherapy is going to make this thing colder. So we're going to test that out and see how it goes. So I'm going to first start off with Matte Maniac. This is the first face mask that I'm using from FOREO. And basically what this face mask does is it's designed for oily skin. So since I don't have oily skin, I'm not really sure how it's going to work. But it uses charcoal, and it's supposed to use blue light therapy and cryotherapy. So let's take a look and see how this works. So I opened the packet, and then basically what you're going to do is you're going to need your phone for this part. So first you have to scan it, and for some reason the mask doesn't show up, so I just clicked call it a day, and then it automatically showed Matte Maniac after I scanned it. So now we're going to secure the mask onto the UFO. Make sure that it's lined up and straight. And there's usually a bit of the side piece that kind of goes near the opening, so you might want to align that. And then you're going to put the ring on top. Make sure the ring's going the right way. As you can see here, I put it the wrong way. You want to look for the FOREO logo when you're clicking it on, and it should press into the UFO. Once you're ready to go, just press start treatment, and then the UFO will start working. So I just go in random directions, or you can follow the directions that the lady in the phone goes by, but like you don't have to follow that. So first, this starts off with blue LED and thermotherapy. You can really feel like that heated sensation when it's doing the thermotherapy. And the blue light's going to help fight off acne. I love the transition here when it adds that cryotherapy and T-Sonic, because you're transitioning from like hot to cold and it just feels so good on the skin. So this part was really my favorite. The UFO kind of makes like a whirling down sound at the end of the treatment, so you'll also know by the sound it makes. Overall, my thoughts on Matte Maniac were that it definitely did make my skin feel matte after I finished using it, but I really liked how it used like blue LED and that combination of heat and cold, which not all the masks do, so I thought that was really great. This is definitely one of my favorites in comparison to the others. So now I'm going to show you how to use Make My Day. This mask comes included with the UFO too, and it's one of the lower priced masks in comparison to the other advanced collection masks. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this without the phone app. So in order to activate it with your phone, what you're going to do is you're just going to press the power button once, and if you're doing this for Call It a Night, you would just press the power button twice. So the mask is basically made out of hyaluronic acid and red algae. So hyaluronic acid, as you know, is good for hydration, and red algae is apparently like rich in antioxidants, and it's going to help that skin look healthy. And it's pretty basic overall. My thoughts on this mask were that it was okay, but it wasn't definitely not the best mask. So now we're going to be using Shimmer Freak. This is more of like a caffeine-induced mask, and it definitely does have a bit of glitter in it, which you can see. When you look at the mask up close, you'll see like those little specks of glitter, but when you actually have like the mask treatment finished, there isn't like a ton of glitter on your face. It definitely looks normal. But anyhow, this is basically specified for like your eyes, and it's supposed to help eliminate dark circles. Personally, I didn't see that big of a difference with this mask, but it was okay. So now we're going to be doing H2O overdose. Personally, I wasn't a fan of this mask. Basically, it uses hyaluronic acid, which is good for hydration, but I feel like you're better off using a serum with hyaluronic acid, or even just like the Make My Day mask. Like this one didn't really leave me with that hydrated feeling, so personally I don't really recommend this one, but you can take a look and see what it's really like.